My sister had a weather vane. She's had it about 10 years. It was in pretty bad shape. I made a diagram of the bird, and then I cut it out and traced around it on a piece of shelving board. I was able to borrow a bandsaw to cut out the birds. I decided to make a lot of them. I think I made about 6 of them so far. I used oil-based enamel to paint them, different colors. I figured it would last longer. I drilled a 10mm hole in the bird, and then I pounded a piece of copper tubing into it. I put a piece of tape on my drill bit so I wouldn't drill a hole into my tabletop. The drill stopped while I was drilling the hole for the 6mm rod, so I just left the drill standing in the hole. This is the way I cut out the blades. If you hold a piece of board along the side of the jigsaw plate, you can cut a lot straighter line. This jigsaw was 110 bolts. I've been here for 46 years. Fortunately, I had a step-down transformer I could use to run it. I cut off the tips of the blades so I could round them with a wood file. When I was finished with the double blades, I just cut them in half, so I had 2 blades. It gave me quite a collection. I cut off 6cm pieces of broom pole to make the centers of the propellers. I cut slots at the ends of the sections. It's pretty easy to eyeball it. The depth is slightly more than a hacksaw blade. Then I just took a little screwdriver and knocked the piece of wood out of the slit. I used the blade to make sure that the 2 slits were about 90 degrees from each other. Basically, I was using that little screwdriver as a chisel. The second hole was a little bit too wide, but glue takes care of that problem. I put them in the vise to glue it because it was easier to align them straight while the glue dried. I found out a piece of the M6 rod was pretty good to stack the propellers on after I'd put in the copper tubing. I drilled another hole, 10 millimeter, in the bottom of a longer pole. Then I pounded a piece of copper tubing into the broom pole. So the M6 rod coming down from the bird will sit in that tubing and be able to turn freely. The third bolt you see on the diagram is the one that sticks straight out. I cut off the threaded rod so I could have about 4 centimeters sticking into the bird and also 4 centimeters sticking into the broom pole, roughly. I also put a washer under the bird on the threaded part because I think it turns better.